Move with intention as you lower yourself down. Start with some small pelvic tilts, just feeling the connection between your lower back and the mat. Gently hug your right knee in toward your chest, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Circles on the left side now, noticing any differences between the two ankles. Lower your knees to the right for a gentle twist, looking over your left shoulder. Gently drop your right ear toward your right shoulder, feeling a stretch in the left side of your neck. Reach your right arm over for a side stretch, breathing into your right side. Let's come into a tabletop position, finding a neutral spine. Slowly rise back up to tabletop, keeping your movement gentle. If you have blocks, use them here to bring the floor closer to you. Reach your arms up and find a gentle lift in your chest, but keep your tailbone tucked. Bring your hands to your left thigh and lift your chest, feeling the stretch on the front of the right hip. Reach up through your fingertips, finding length through your entire spine. Slowly roll all the way up to standing, feeling each part of your spine wake up. Stand tall in mountain pose, feeling your feet ground into the earth. Fold forward once more, then step your feet back into a high plank. While you're here, gently look over one shoulder and then the other to release the neck. Push back into child's pose and take a resting breath. Cross your arms into eagle arms, breathing into the space between your shoulder blades. Open your legs wide and slowly walk your hands forward, only going as far as feels okay for your inner thighs. We're coming toward the end of our practice, so let's prepare to lie back down. Lower your feet to the mat and let your knees fall open, resting your hands on your body. Take these last few moments of practice to just be. Let go of all effort. Enjoy this silence. You've earned it. Slowly start to bring some movement back into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. Find your way back to a comfortable seat, bringing your palms together at your heart. And of course, thanks to Benji for being our mascot today.
If you're looking for more, join our 30-day challenge starting tomorrow.
Bring your hands to your left thigh and lift your chest, feeling the stretch on the front of the right hip. Reach up through your fingertips, finding length through your entire spine. And shift your hips back, straightening that left leg as much Irawe feels good for a hamstring stretch. Pedal your feet out here, waking up the backs of the legs and the ankles. Slowly walk your feet toward your hands, coming into a relaxing forward fold. Stand tall in mountain pose, feeling your feet ground into the earth. Let your arms be heavy as you twist from side to side, just letting them flop against your body. Inhale into a small cobra, lifting your heart but keeping your neck long. Use your blocks to support your head so you can truly let go in this fold. Tuck your chin slightly and fold forward, feeling the release in your outer hips. Lower your feet to the mat and let your knees fall open, resting your hands on your body. Enjoy this silence, you've earned it. Roll over to your favorite side and just rest for a heartbeat. Find your way back to a comfortable seat, bringing your palms together at your heart. I'll see you next time on the mat. Take care.
Rizabin isan divagman silated. Hensabin he digoi hal kun the tingi in the gent related. Maybe the high.